Alright, I'm going to quickly show you how to go ahead and fix the issue where your smartboard is not showing you what's on your desktop. So basically what's happening is your smartboard, your projector in general, is creating an extended screen. So basically if you moved your mouse all the way off to the right side of the screen, it would continue onto your actual smartboard or your projector screen, Promethean. So what you need to do is set your display settings to duplicate. Simply on your anywhere on your desktop background, right click and click on display settings. I am currently just from home and only have one monitor, but here you'll see multiple displays and you'll have a drop down and you want to switch to duplicate as opposed to extend. Extend gives you two separate monitor screens, whereas duplicate will make the screen on your desktop also show on your projector.